Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get certified in Microsoft Excel and on an official Microsoft credential. So the most direct option is the Microsoft Office Specialist or MOS or Excel certification. Now for the current Microsoft 365 version of Excel, you need to start with the Excel Associate certification, which is earned by passing the exam MO210. It basically tests your skill like managing the worksheets and workbooks, working with the data and the table, using the formulas and functions, and by creating the charts. Now, in order to prepare, you can just simply review the MO210 exam skills and outline the and practice Excel hands-on. Microsoft recommends having around 150 hours of instruction and experience with Excel before taking the examination. Now, once you are ready for the exam, you can just simply schedule an exam option on the certification page and via a register through the available exam provider. The exam is currently 50 minutes and the pricing depends on your country and the region. Now, after passing the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate certification will appear in your Microsoft credentials profile. So that's how you can basically get certified in Microsoft Excel. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.